Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the best IQ option script special for you. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next update. And if you download this script, link in my description box and link in comment box and link in my telegram channel. Okay, so my website link, and you can download my website on this platform. Okay, you can this file, sorry, okay, this file, script file. Okay, no problem, I can copy this script file, then I can go on IQ option today. So click add manually and click Ctrl B, then click save, and then script cycle pro. Okay, and as you can see, the very good script. So here is OTC market, and indicator show up the market going up, so I can trade on higher option because market going up, so no problem. Euro GBP. So here is a demo account, but no problem. So here is I can trade on down option because this is a downtrend, but here is a seller's gap, so that's why I have gone with sellers. So let's see, the indicators show up the sellers, this candle. So here is the buying, selling, no problem. Let's see the result. Okay, so one lose and one profit, but if I trade 1 minute, I can win this trade. So let's see. So lose, all lose, no problem. So where is the so here is a I have placed high option because market showing up down, but market going down, and here is a support level and market rejection this point. That's why I have gone with buyers. So let's see the result. Please follow price action and money management. Do not trade without price action. Okay, and this is a OTC market, very risky market. Okay, profit, one loss and one profit, no problem. So I can higher option. Okay, let's see. Here is the level. Okay, good rejection from buyer side. Okay, good point. And this is a 100% winning trade because this is circle, this circle showing up strongly buyers active here. Okay, but OTC market very risky and very bad market. 4 3 2 1 and boom, this is profit 100%. Okay, so please follow price action and support and resistance. Do not trade quickly, so market show up quickly signal, but you can do not trade. You can analyze the market, you can show you can see the support resistance, then you can place trade. Okay, so okay, here is the support and market show up, market going up. Okay, and no trading here. Next candle you can trade down option. Okay, bye bye, see you next video.